how to set up vendors. Okay, just like the clients, you're going to select from the left side of the screen. You're going to go ahead and click the plus sign and select vendor. Typically in the beginning when you're learning Studio, I usually recommend only setting up clients or vendors. I know a lot of people want to set up other addresses and projects and office and things like that. Keep it simple first until you know where these flow through in the various parts of the system. Okay, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and set up a vendor, and you have the option to, click showroom or manufacturer. Again, I'm going to select vendor. I follow a standard naming convention. That way you can kind of make sure that you don't set up duplicates and things like that, just because somebody may spell it or think of it some other way. Be as detailed as you can in all sections. The notes are private. In codes is where you're going to set up a lot of the defaults for the vendor. These are going to override those that you set up at the company-wide settings. Okay, so you can even default if it was, somebody like Office Depot. You can even default the expense account. That does not mean you can't change it when coding. It's just going to automatically default to that. Same with what you set up here. Okay, that is basically it. You're going to save and close. There's not much to set up except for these two tabs. You're going to save and close or save and new. If there's any questions about what I've said, you can leave it in the comments below, or you can email your questions to info@mareevuitton.com. If you found this information useful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.